Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very delicious moist cornbread. Cornbread is a very simple and quick bread to make, especially during the Thanksgiving time. It is a very important side and also used for stuffing. When it is done right, people can't get enough of it. So let me show you how it is made. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I am going to leave the list in the description box. I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour to the mixing bowl, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. If you don't want sugar in your cornbread, you can skip, but I'm using a 1/4 cup of sugar. Add a teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to be using a tablespoon of baking powder. Instead of using the liquid buttermilk, I'm going to be using the powdered milk. It looks just like a regular powdered milk. It has lots of lumps, so I'm going to sift it. I'll be using 3 tablespoons. Instead of diluting it in water, I'm going to add it directly to the dry ingredients, and I'm going to explain why. You could dissolve it in water, but it is advisable to add it directly to the dry ingredients. Sifting it is going to remove the lumps. If you don't sift it, the lumps don't dissolve. You can also make your own buttermilk by adding a tablespoon of lime or vinegar to a cup of milk and let it sit for like 10 minutes, and you will have your own buttermilk. So I'm just whisking everything together to make sure it is properly combined. Also to make sure that there are no lumps. So now I'm done with the dry ingredients. Before adding everything together, I'm going to crack 2 eggs and lightly beat the eggs. So if you are new to my channel or you have been watching my videos and you are not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post any video. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. Thank you. So to the dry ingredients, I'm gonna add the beaten eggs, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You could also use melted butter if you want, 3/4 cup of milk. The amount of the regular milk and the buttermilk should be equal, so I will be using 3/4 cup of water in place of fresh or liquid buttermilk. So I'm gonna mix everything together until all the lumps are dissolved. Special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you. God bless you. Please, you can also follow me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Please leave a comment and like the video, share it to your friends. That's the only way you can encourage me. Thank you so much, and God bless you. I'm gonna melt about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in the microwave for 2 minutes. You can use an iron skillet or any baking pan of your choice. I'm just gonna move it around to make sure every side is coated with butter. The butter also serves as an added flavor. When I'm done, I'm gonna pour the batter into the pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. "30 minutes later, your cornbread is ready. It smells amazing, you won't believe it. So what I normally do, I just rub some butter on top of it, and when I do that, it dissolves, melts into the cornbread, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 1 more minute to broil. Broiling is gonna brown the top of the cornbread. After 1 minute, I'm gonna bring it out and let it cool down before I cut it. If you want yours to be darker, you can leave it for 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna check it. See? It came out clean, so it is really done. I checked it before broiling it, but I just wanted you guys to see it. I let mine sit for 1 hour. Let us cut it to see how it looks in the inside. I'm trying to get a perfect measurement, but sometimes it doesn't work, but I'm just trying to get equal parts. So let's cut it and see how it looks on the inside. Please, just a reminder, make sure you subscribe before the end of the video, like and share it if you're enjoying it. Thank you. Look at that beauty. Are you not hungry for some? It is moist, it is delicious. That buttermilk does wonder to this cornbread. Let me turn this around so that you see the color. Isn't that beautiful? Very moist and delicious. Let's take a closer look. See? This is how your cornbread is gonna look like if you follow the directions to the T. For your Sunday brunch, picnic, Thanksgiving, and any gathering, give this recipe a try. You will not be disappointed. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.